Hello everyone, myself Samarth Singh again in front of you in order to bring out the next lecture of our economic series that is a beautiful initiative of Udan IAS. To make you revise bit of things that we had discussed in the last of the classes, we majorly had discussed regarding your personal income and national income and all those kind of stuffs. See? And then when I was telling you about the national income, I told you that there are certain of the things that are getting excluded from the national income and they're included in the personal income, and there are certain of the things that are excluded from the personal income and included in the national income. See? These are the things we had majorly discussed. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन द लास्ट ऑफ द क्लास इन ऑर्डर टू मेक यू रिवाइज अ बिट आई हैड टोल्ड यू दैट इज हाउ ट्रांसफर रिसीट्स 6 and your interests on national debt are included in the national income because at last they are coming to your pocket. And similarly, if I'm talking about these transfer receipts and interests on national debts, these are included in excluded in from your national income. So this was the case. If I'm talking about the things that were excluded from the personal income and included in the national income, things that were excluded from personal income and included in the national income, those were that is undistributed profits of the companies, undistributed profit of the companies, corporate taxes. Okay, these of the things were ultimately not reaching to the individual level, and that is a result of that key these are the things have been excluded, and similarly these of the things have been included in your national income. So this was the case, that is two of these factors had been responsible for this crisscross kind of relationship in which from one end they are getting excluded, from other end they are getting included, and similarly from one end they are getting excluded and from one end they are getting included. This was the case of your personal income in the last of the class that I had discussed with you. अब अगर मैं बताऊं इसमें टू बी मोर स्पेसिफिक, if I can lead this discussion to a further next level, I will be today talking about several other variants of national income that are possible. Take first of the variant had been your personal income. Today we will be talking about a bit here and there about the other of the factors that are possible. So let us analyze regarding that. See, देखो. First of the factor that we are taking today is your personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. Till now we had discussed your personal income. Till now we had discussed personal income, personal income, and from this personal income, today I will be discussing regarding personal disposable income. So what is this thing disposable that is getting added to it? Personal disposable income. Personal disposable income. See, let's see. So what is coming out to be in this personal disposable income? Personal income, you have already understood that how you are getting this personal income from your national income, how it was, yeah, entire of the thing was related. If I'm talking about personal disposable income, it is majorly a concept that is saying that is it is the income that remains with the individual. It is the income that remains with the individual or household after deduction of all direct taxes and levied against their income, levied against their income and property by the government. In the simple words, if I'm talking about this entire of the thing, so that majorly means your personal disposable income is your personal income minus direct taxes and other kind of stuffs. अच्छा, ये वाला जो line है, that is personal disposable income minus direct taxes minus miscellaneous fees and fines paid by the household. This entire of the thing had been given in your NCERT. तो NCERT से ही ये उठाया है. ठीक है. सो अच्छा, डिस्पोजेबल का मतलब होता है कि व्हाट इज कमिंग एट योर एंड, आपके पास खर्चा करने का कितना पैसा आ रहा है. ठीक, दैट व्हाट इज के लेफ्ट एट योर एंड, व्हाट इज योर एंटायर ऑफ द अमाउंट दैट यू आर गेटिंग इन योर पॉकेट. ठीक. सो व्हेन आई एम सेइंग पर्सनल इनकम, how you are getting this, when I'm saying regarding personal disposable income, firstly you have to get what, that is personal income तक आपको आना है. And after getting that personal income, obviously there are certain kind of, see, whenever we are doing these kind of stuff, we are kya we all are kya paying taxes and all those kind of things. जैसे क्या, if I'm talking about that, there is a company का CTC, ठीक, and you are saying that is as per your tax slab, ठीक है, whatever the income that you are क्या getting, based on that everyone is paying certain kind of taxes and all. But when I'm talking about income, I will be incorporating my personal income will be that entire stuff. For example, my package is 12 lakhs, ठीक, but after deduction and all those kind of thing, whatever is being left, जो मैं बोलता हूँ that is in hand salary भैया कितना आता है, something sort of that, some sort of that kind of concept is out there, that is after my income is getting to me, and after all the deduction what is left, that I will be saying that it is at my disposable, how much is left for me. That concept is very much similar to your personal disposable income. That is, yes, there is certain kind of your personal income, but from that personal income you need to deduct, there are a lot of things that you will not be able to utilize, and that they are saying you will not be able to utilize the taxes that you are giving to the government, as well as certain kind of fines and miscellaneous fees that you will be left out with, है ना. So personal disposable income is your personal income, whatever I have got, minus taxes, because taxes I will be paying, minus certain kind of fees and fines that I also will be paying. So that will be accounting your personal disposable income. पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, मैंने आपको एग्जांपल बताया क्या कंपनी के सीटीसी से, ठीक, दैट वट एवर द सीटीसी दे आर क्या मेंशनिंग, यू आर नॉट एबल टू गेटिंग दैट, ठीक है, दो यू आर सेइंग दैट यस माय इनकम इज दिस, बट at the end you are paying lot of stuff from that, and as a result of that your income that is left at your disposal is very less. Okay, so people are saying that is what this PDI is denoting, that PDI reflects the purchasing power of the households. Purchasing power in the sense that is more will be your personal disposable income, ठीक है, more will be your personal disposable income, more will be your purchasing power, more will be your purchasing power, yes, more disposable income at my end. For example, if I'm getting 20,000 rupees per month, take, I will be saying that I can afford 15,000 ka mobile, take. Now someone has given me more assignment, I will be saying 40,000 rupees are now coming at my end, I am earning 40,000 rupees after deducting all the kind of things. Now I will be saying that is not 15,000 ka mobile, I can afford फॉर एग्जाम्पल 25,000 का मोबाइल, है ना. सो जैसे जैसे आपका इनकम बढ़ेगा, हाउस एवर योर इनकम इज इंक्रीजिंग, योर परचेजिंग पावर विल बी इंक्रीजिंग. सो मोर विल बी योर पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, मोर आइटम्स यू कैन परचेज, सो आई कैन से मोर परचेजिंग पावर, मोर परचेजिंग पावर, मोर परचेजिंग पावर, ठीक. सिमिलरली इफ आई एम सेइंग कि माय पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम इज लेस, ठीक है, that is if there is a decline in my personal disposable income, I will be saying that is my purchasing power has declined. So lesser the personal disposable income, lesser will be my purchasing power, lesser will be my purchasing power. I guess you have been able to understand the concept of personal disposable income. Now if I'm saying the other concept, other variant that you have to remember is your net disposable income. क्या, हाँ, ठीक, क्या, सॉरी, नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, ठीक. अच्छा, एनडीआई का कंसेप्ट क्या है, दैट इज नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. आई हैड ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द कंसेप्ट ऑफ योर नेशनल इनकम. नेशनल इनकम पे वी हैड डिस्कस्ड इन सच अ डिटेल, ठीक. देन आई हैव, व्हाट आई हैड डन, आई हैड discuss this national income in correlation with what? In correlation with your personal income. In correlation with your personal income. ठीक, that I had done, बिल्कुल अच्छे से डिफरेंशिएट करके ऊपर मैंने दिखाया है, ठीक. Then what I had done, what I had done, that is personal income से I had brought a concept of personal disposable income, personal disposable income. Now what I am trying to say to you is that just like you have got personal income से personal disposable income, I am trying to go somewhere from national income to national disposable income, ठीक. From national income I am going to national disposable income. That is the next of the concept that you have to study, national disposable income. That is other variant of national income, national disposable income. अब देखो, एक थोड़ा सा बस दिमाग लगाना, ठीक. When I was telling you regarding personal income, I told you that is personal income, when I was telling you about personal income, we had discussed all those kind of stuff. ठीक, when recently I had क्या told you regarding your personal disposable income. ठीक है, personal disposable income, I told you firstly you have to क्या get your personal income, then disposal, that is what is left at your end in order to that what is coming at last in your hand, हाथ में कितना आ रहा है. ठीक, so at that time what I am telling you, that is you deduct all the kind of taxes. ठीक, अच्छा, सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ रिलेशन आई हैड आल्सो डन वेयर इन योर पर्सनल इनकम एंड नेशनल इनकम. ठीक, पर्सनल इनकम नेशनल इनकम में मैंने क्या बोला, दैट इज जो यहां से कट रहा है वहां ऐड कर दो, जो वहां से कट रहा है यहां ऐड कर दो. ठीक, whatsoever thing is क्या deducting from one particular item, you deduct, for example something is getting deducted from personal income, you add that thing in your national income. If something is getting excluded from personal income, ठीक है, जैसे यहां से ये चीज exclude हो रही है तो यहां पर add हो जाएगी. ठीक, here it is क्या getting excluded from है तो यहां क्या add हो जाएगी, कहां, national income. So I am saying that is national income and your personal income are very much क्या very much opposite to each other. That is, whatever is getting subtracted from here getting added from there, whatever is getting added from there is getting subtracted from there. ठीक, or I can say that whatever is getting subtracted from the national income is getting added in the personal income, whatever is getting subtracted from the personal income it is getting added in the national income. ठीक, similar kind of relation goes with your personal disposable income and national disposable income. ठीक, अब देखो पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम में आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट यू आर डिडक्टिंग ऑल द काइंड ऑफ टैक्सेस, यू आर डिडक्टिंग ऑल द काइंड ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस एंड फीस. ठीक, सो सिमिलर सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलेशन आई विल बी सेइंग फॉर नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. ठीक, जो आपका पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल से कटा, वट एवर इज बीइंग सबट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, व्हाट यू डू, you add that thing in national disposable income, that whatever the relation was between national income and personal income, similar kind of relation is somewhat here as well. That is, whatever is getting subtracted from the personal income you add it, whatever is getting subtracted from the personal disposable income, that is direct taxes, you add that thing in national disposable income. And when you will be analyzing this relation you will be ultimately finding out that national disposable income is income from all the source, ठीक, available to the residents of India for their consumption expenditure or for saving during a given financial year. ठीक, अब इसका अगर फॉर्मूला मैं देखूंगा, सो ऑब्वियसली नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट, दिस इज नेशनल इनकम. ठीक, नेशनल इनकम आई हैव टोल्ड यू व्हाट इज नेशनल इनकम, दैट इज नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट. अब फैक्टर कॉस्ट, बेसिक प्राइस, मार्केट प्राइस, सब मैंने आपको बताया है हाउ यू हैव टू क्या डिराइव इट. Product taxes, product subsidies, production subsidies and all those kind of stuff I have already discussed with you. ठीक, अब देखो क्या बोल रहा है, नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम इज इक्वल टू नेशनल इनकम, दैट इज, और नेशनल इनकम क्या होती है, दैट इज नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट प्लस इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस, जो टैक्सेस वहां से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट हुआ फ्रॉम पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, यू आर एडिंग दिस थिंग ओवर हियर, दैट इज नेट इनडायरेक्ट एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ टैक्स. ये देखो, ये लर्न करने का थोड़ा सा तरीका है कैसे आप याद कर सकते हैं. मैंने ऐसे याद किया था, यू कैन ऑल्सो रिमेंबर इन द सेम वे. ऑब्वियसली एग्जैक्टली इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, बट येस इट इज वेरी मच हेल्पफुल इन ऑर्डर यू टू रिमेंबर दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. ठीक, सो आई एम सेइंग नेशनल इनकम प्लस नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस प्लस नेट करंट, इसमें ये वाला फैक्टर और ऐड हो जाता है, दिस फैक्टर इज अगेन गेटिंग एडेड, इज दैट net current transfer from ROW is rest of the world. ठीक, so what you will be doing, national disposable income is equal to national income, that is net national that is net national product at factor cost. ठीक, प्लस नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस वहां से कटा, यहां पे ऐड हो गया, प्लस नेट करंट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ठीक, दीज ऑफ द थिंग्स यू कैन इंक्लूड. अच्छा, ठीक, नाउ सी, दो वेरिएंट्स मैंने आपके साथ डिस्कस कर लिया. आई डिस्कस टू ऑफ द वेरिएंट्स, दैट इज नंबर फर्स्ट इज योर पर्सनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम, नंबर सेकंड इज दैट इज क्या, योर नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. One of the factor is still remaining and that is क्या, your gross national disposable income. Gross national disposable income. What is gross national disposable income? It is very much simple. That is, I told you have got क्या net national disposable income, net national disposable income, एंड फ्रॉम दिस नेट नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, नेट है, नेट से ग्रॉस में जाना था. इफ यू हैव टू गो फ्रॉम नेट टू ग्रॉस यू हैव टू ऐड depreciation. Add depreciation. These all of the concept I had already discussed in previous of the lecture. ठीक. So net national disposable incomes में if you are adding the depreciation you are getting what, that is gross national disposable income. ठीक. ठीक. So that is what they are क्या telling you, how that this is how you have to calculate, that is your gross national disposable income. It measures the income to the total economy for the final consumption. ठीक. So these are the things I have क्या already told you. ठीक. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ये वाली चीज मैंने भी आपको नहीं बताई थी. कौन सी? ग्रॉस नेशनल से आपको क्या मैंने बताया, दैट इज इफ यू आर एडिंग इन क्या नेट नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम में इफ यू आर एडिंग क्या डिप्रिसिएशन यू विल बी गेटिंग ग्रॉस नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम. ठीक. अच्छा ठीक. अच्छा, तो ग्रॉस नेशनल डिस्पोजेबल इनकम क्या हो जाता है, दैट इज इनकम अवेलेबल टू द इकोनॉमी फॉर फाइनल कंजम्पशन एंड ग्रॉस सेविंग. ठीक है. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स आई हैड डिस्कस विद. ठीक. एक कंसेप्ट और बचा है, दैट इज कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो का, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी योर फाइनल ऑफ द थिंग. ठीक है. इसको विल बी का डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट ऑफ द क्लास. आज क्या करते हैं, एक यूपीएससी का न्यूमेरिकल भी कर लेते हैं, देन विल बी का एंडिंग अवर डिस्कशन. ठीक. Question is saying that is which among the following which among the following aid can further government's objective in inclusive growth. ठीक है. Indirectly वैसे क्या, whatever the question are being asked in last 10 years, this is the last of the question that is coming out from national income. I have discussed all the kinds of numericals that could be possible. ठीक. तो ये question क्या बोलता है, which of the following aid can further government's objective of inclusive growth. ठीक. क्या हो सकता है, promoting SHG, self help group. यस. ठीक. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप इट कैन हेल्प यू आउट. ठीक है. सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में क्या होता है, दैट इज क्या, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कमिंग टुगेदर एज सच एंड दे आर क्या क्रिएटिंग अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ क्या माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन. आई एम नॉट से माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशन, रादर व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे आर कमिंग टुगेदर. सी एवरी पर्सन विल बी हैविंग सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ क्या, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम हैविंग 10 रुपी. ठीक. ठीक. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू द बैंक एंड आस्क फॉर अ लोन at the income level of 10 rupee, I might not be getting that. ठीक है. So what I'm doing, I'm क्या collaborating the people who are having similar kind of income, and then when we are trading together, when we are doing any kind of business together, ठीक, then our capacity increases because the income base has increased, है ना. So that is the major of the concept of your self help group. ठीक है. So promoting self help group, yes, it can include it can further the objective of inclusive growth. Yes. ठीक है. Promoting micro, small and medium enterprises, yes, it can do that. Number third, ठीक, that is it is MSME. MSME को if I'm क्या promoting, it will be promoting inclusive growth. Yes. Implementing the Right to Education Act, yes, it will be furthering your inclusive growth, because more the people will be educated, more they will be careful about their rights and all those kind of things. ठीक है. So select the correct answer, that is 1, 2 and 3. ठीक. So only one of the concept is majorly left in your नेक्स्ट ऑफ द थिंग, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, दैट इज योर कैपिटल आउटपुट रेशियो. थोड़ा सा एस्टिमेट्स के बारे में बातें करेंगे, दैट इज व्हाट आर एट डिफरेंट ऑफ द लेवल, दैट व्हाट आर क्या जीडीपी के एस्टिमेट्स आते रहते हैं, दोज ऑफ द थिंग्स विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड देन वी विल बी क्लोजिंग अवर नेशनल इनकम का टॉपिक. ठीक. सो आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही. रेस्ट विल बी डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट ऑफ द क्लास. ठीक. और ये मेरा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप है, इफ यू वांट टू फॉलो, येस ऑब्वियसली यू कैन, दैट इज Sammy2908. एवरी ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट इज मेजरली अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. ठीक है. सो यू कैन फॉलो दिस टेलीग्राम ग्रुप एज वेल. सो आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही. रेस्ट विल बी डूइंग इन द नेक्स्ट ऑफ द क्लास. और जैसे मैं हमेशा क्लास एंड करता हूँ, कैसे हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, मेरी क्लास देखते रहिए. वाई? बिकॉज यूपीएससी इज नॉट अ गेम ऑफ IQ, इट इज अ गेम ऑफ EQ. चलो बाय बाय बच्चा, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय.